How the fuck does the engine go all the way from there? No one died, guys. The person dipped. So before anybody starts bashing why I'm recording this, like, chill. The guy's alive. He just dipped. Take a look at this, guys. How the fuck does this even happen? And that bitch still on fire right now. Take a fucking look. Yo, that can't blow, right?
Yeah, I don't know. If there's something that the engine possible.
How the fuck? How the fuck does that happen?
But the driver's nowhere to be found. Like, he's gone. And
that's insane.
So this is crazy. Like, we just at the scene waiting for police to show
Look
up.
at this, guys.
This is in the middle of the road.
Where the fuck?
No, the engine's coming up, bro.
How the fuck does that even happen? The whole fucking transmission.
Like, how do you
ripped.
do that?
That's fucked up, guys. Yeah, the guy dipped.
The guy's gone.
Holy fuck. Damn. Big fucking rip. I'm gonna have to bounce for 12 folds up. We have to bounce.
We're probably gonna bounce. It's definitely close. It's gonna pull up, but the engine's straight up over there.
Dude, that's like for fuck. Alright, we gotta bounce. We have to bounce.
Well, what could he assume?
Yeah, it was automatic. It was automatic.
Wait, there was fucking NOS. Wait, there was fucking NOS in here. Look it, that's a NOS holder.
Oh, that is.
Oh my God.
That's a fucking, that's for NOS.
This guy was flying.
Holy fuck, this thing has NOS. Holy fuck.
Yeah, he took his NOS. This guy took his NOS.
This thing has a fucking NOS. That thing had a fucking NOS. Alright, bro, we gotta bounce. We gotta bounce.